Well, for me, the feeling of abstract, because I feel like it's the existence, like, is an idea, but like physically it's not there. So sometimes when you have the abstract feeling, it seems like everything is achievable and doable, but because it doesn't exist in real life, you don't do it. So it's always like difficult to just put yourself into the position of doing it. For example, if you have like a mathematical sum that you have to do, in your mind you might be able to solve it, but practically doing it, you haven't done it, and it's very much going to be difficult to do it. So the abstract feeling, sometimes for me, I feel like it's something, it gives you the positive feeling of you can do it, but when you go for the concrete, you fail to achieve what you want.
Yeah, so in the ideas you showed on the board, a lot of them said like abstract is complex and difficult to understand, and concrete stuff is simple. I think the other way around. Like in the real world, we have very complex systems. Things have very many variables that we do not know or understand. And then when we make a model of this stuff, we try to cut out a lot of the stuff, and we make something abstract. It's a lot easier for us to understand. So I think abstract things can be much more simple than concrete things.
When I think of concrete, I think of very much fixed and formulas and theorems and such, which can get very complicated. Whereas when I think of abstract, I would find that, for example, maybe not everyone dreams about maths like me, but when you dream about maths, then what you dream is more abstract thinking. You don't think in formulas and stuff, you think of like kind of this different world of how, say, physics or mathematics would work. And then you're more inclined towards understanding the maths that you're dreaming about, and it might have some application on the world, but you'll understand that more easily than some complex, concrete algorithm that you've learned in class, for example.
Okay, I'm just going to, maybe my understanding is a little bit too layman, but it's, for me, I like to simplify it in the fact that if I were to think of a bird is a very concrete thing. We can't argue if you put a bird on the table, everyone would say it is a bird. So we would say that the fact that it's a bird, that's concrete. But the abstract part is, we can put two very different species of birds on the table. They're both birds, they're both concrete, but what makes them a bird, that's where the abstract comes in. So there could be many different kinds of bird, and if I tell everyone to visualize a bird now in your head, everyone will be visualizing a bird, but no, probably not the same bird. And you could even maybe think of a bird that doesn't even exist. It's just in your head. So that's abstract.
Hi everyone. For me, something that is concrete is something that is sort of black and white, right and wrong. For me personally, like I feel like math is very concrete. It's either right or it's wrong. If you're off by 0.001, you're wrong, which is a challenge, of course. And something that's abstract, sort of, it's not black or white. It's got sort of a grey area in between. Like I feel my mom and my dad are sort of, my mom's more abstract, my father's an engineer, he's more concrete. So I don't know, that's my understanding.
Hi, I feel like concrete, by definition, is something really that you see and experience with your senses and so on, or something that you can almost naturally know, but abstract is like the pattern behind things. When you find something that's true for many concrete examples and so on, sort of like higher level meta stuff.
So when I think about abstract and concrete, yeah, there's always the first feelings and words like solid, hard, then abstract is like idea and blah blah blah. But like when I think of it more, I think concrete is just okay, let me give you an example. So when I was in primary, they taught me that 1 minus 2, it can't. when I go to high school, they taught me 1 minus 2 is -1. When I was in high school, at the early stages of high school, they told me the square root of -1 doesn't exist. But then another stage, you learn that the square root of -1 is something high. So I think really like the ideas of both concrete and abstract are really vague based on the knowledge that we have. So until someone gives us a different, it's not like he said, like we need a point of reference. It's like we need our ideas of concrete and abstract, the based on the knowledge that we have at that same time, like at that exact moment. So yeah, that's my understanding of
How did you feel each time they changed the rules of the game?
I,
What the hell?